Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn about law of variable proportions. So అసలు ఈ వేరియబుల్ ప్రపోర్షన్స్ అంటే ఏంటి and what are variable factors ఇవన్నిటి గురించి we'll learn about this in this video. Firstly, I want to say this is a very important question for Telangana intermediate students, first year students. 10 marks ki one of the most repeated question. So once look into this and learn so that మీరు ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్స్ రాస్తున్నా సప్లీస్ రాస్తున్నా you can easily clear 10 marks and 5 marks if you can focus definitely you can clear your exam and ఇంకా మంచి స్కోర్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. Yeah, so without doing any late we'll go into the video. So what is this law of variable proportions? The law of variable proportion explains the relationship between the inputs and output in the short run. So, this law was developed by the 19th century economists like David Ricardo, Alfred Manson, Ben Hern, and many more um, economists. This law is also known as law of diminishing returns. So, ఏంటి ఇన్పుట్స్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఇన్ ద షార్ట్ రన్ అన్నారు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్స్ ద రిలేషన్షిప్ బిట్వీన్ ఇన్పుట్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్. ఫస్ట్లీ యూ నీడ్ టు నో అబౌట్ ద వేరియబుల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. వేరియబుల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అంటే ఒక షార్ట్ పీరియడ్ టైంలో ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ విచ్ కెన్ బి చేంజ్డ్ లైక్ రా మెటీరియల్స్ అండ్ ద లేబర్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ as వేరియబుల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. సో ఇన్పుట్ అండ్ అవుట్పుట్ ఏంటంటే it is possible for us to increase the output, right, by increasing the variable factors. I hope you got the point. So it is possible to increase the output by increasing the variable factors like raw material, labor, etc., right? That's why this law mainly explains about the relationship between the inputs and outputs in the short run. Okay, now we'll go into the meaning so that we can understand better in a way. Meaning: when a variable factor is increased in the production activity in the short run, production increases in the first stage, constant in the second stage, and decreases in the third stage. Now we'll see a definition given by Alfred Marshall about the law of variable proportions. An increase in the capital or labor applied in the cultivation of land causes in general less than proportionate increase in the amount of produce raised unless it happens to coincide with an improvement in the art of agriculture. This definition is given by Alfred Marshall about the law of variable proportions. You need to learn this definition so that you can gain marks. ఎందుకంటే మీరు డెఫినేషన్ కూడా రాస్తే 10 మార్క్స్కి ఇంకొంచెం లెంత్గా రాస్తున్నట్టు ఉంటుంది అండ్ యూ కెన్ గెయిన్ మార్క్స్ టు. యా, అసంప్షన్స్ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఆర్ ద అసంప్షన్స్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ లా? There are many assumptions. I have mentioned only 5. The law specially operates in the short run. The techniques of production remain constant. Labor factor is a lone variable and all other factors are constant. All units of variable factor are homogeneous and the product is measured in physical units only. These are the 5 assumptions, important assumptions of this law. Now we'll see the tabular representation. There are 4 different columns, right? Units of variable factor, total product, average product, and marginal product. So, asal total product is nothing but total product is the product which is produced by all factors of production together. Coming to average product is total product per unit of variable factor, that is labor. And coming to marginal product means nothing but it refers to the change in total output due to unit changes in the variable factor. That's it. And we need to even give description, right, about the table, what we have understood from it. From the above table, it is clear that when a variable factor labor is increased, total and average product increases in the first stage, constant in the second stage, and decreases in the third stage. Whereas marginal product is also increasing in the first stage but decreasing in the second stage and negative in the third stage. Now we'll see the graphical representation. I hope everybody can see this graph. So we need to draw same like this graph in our paper too. Yeah, we need to even give a small description about what we have understood about this graph. So in this graph, in the above graph, we can see that TP curve means total product curve, AP curve means average product curve, and MP curve means marginal product curve. TP, AP and MP rise in the first stage, TP and AP are constant in the second stage, but MP decreases in the second stage. All TP, AP and MP fall in the third stage, but MP reaches negative returns. And there are even 3 stages. In stage 1, it is increasing returns. In this stage, TP is greater than MP and AP and it is a profitable stage. Coming to stage 2, diminishing returns. In this stage, diminishing returns take place. And coming to the third stage, it is negative returns. In this stage, marginal returns will become negative because the firm continues production beyond the limit. I hope you all understood this answer clearly, and if you want more informative videos like this, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.